Hello travelers, this time I will show you the one of the hills with beautiful views in Bali, Indonesia. Trunyan Hill is located in Trunyan Village, Kintamani District, Bangli Regency. When you climb to the top of Trunyan Hill, you will see Mount Abang and Mount Batur. And also you can see the beauty of Lake Batur. Climbing to the top Trunyan Hill is interesting and memorable experience. The track is classified as friendly for beginner climber, so it is suitable for travelers who are not used to climbing. Let's explore one of the hills with beautiful views in Indonesia, Trunyan Hill. And this is the part of wonderful Indonesia.